YouTube channel. Thank you so much for liking our previous video. And for those who haven't watched the video yet, the link is in the description box below. Also, if you want to watch more videos on new discoveries, news, etc., related to any field, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn the notifications on so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. Since Napoleon's invasion of Egypt, the Western countries like Britain, France, and United States have displayed the antiquities of Egypt as an exotic spectacle, creating the image of ancient Egypt as it is known today. Therefore, the ancient Egypt has significantly contributed to the bulk of information and treasures to the field of history and archaeology. Now that we know that how important Egypt and its artifacts are in the field of history and archaeology, let's now shift our focus on the biggest discovery of the year 2020 that took place in Egypt. In a fascinating event, one of these discovered coffins was opened for the very first time since it was sealed some 2,500 years ago. A video of the same went use. The same video you can find in the description box below. Do watch it. And the people reacted to this video in two very distinct ways. One user wrote that this is weird. How can they just dig up people's graves? Because this shows that they see them as not, as human beings, but only as exhibits for a museum. However, on the other side, a user wrote that isn't that archaeology about studying our history? This has nothing to do with the race, and that the officials are very much respectful towards the dead and the site. Zahi Hawwas, an Egyptologist, told the magazine Egypt Today that this discovery is very, very important because it proves that Saqqara, the site, was the main burial for the 26th dynasty, referring to the rulers from the mid 600 BC to 525 BC.
On September 6, Egypt's Ministry of Tourism and Antiquities announced that more than 13 intact and sealed coffins were discovered in Saqqara, which is considered massive discovery. The discovered coffins were found inside an 11-meter deep shaft where three sealed niches were also found. Mustafa Waziri, the Secretary General of the Supreme Council of Antiquities, described the finding as one of a kind in the last few decades. The tomb was found in Saqqara Pyramid Complex near Cairo, the capital of Egypt. Is filled with colorful hagiographs and statues of pharaohs. Decorative scenes shows the owner, a royal priest named Vatye, with his mother, wife, and other relatives. For the first time, we can talk about the archaeology of embalming, says Hussein, one of the archaeologists. That means the future could hold more such discoveries for excavators patient enough to look. While pouring old digs report, Hussein realized the shaft leading to the mummification workshop was located less than 3 feet from where French and Egyptian excavators stopped searching in 1899. The chamber and its content were hidden by the sand and they hastily shoved aside. Before ending this video, let's take a look at today's quote. So, every failure is a lesson. If you are not willing to fail, you are not ready to succeed.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel. Do share this video with everyone you know, and also if you have any topic in your mind which you would like us to cover next Saturday, then please do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.